Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you'd like to have that kind of information, so if you'd like to see how much percentage you've got, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, and now let's scroll to find the battery. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So you've got this option, so do not show, and you can set next to the battery icon, so the option which I've got previously applied, and inside the battery icon, so the percentage will be displayed inside the indicator. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.